Good morning to all my dear students. Today we discuss the syllabus of the 10th standard mathematics. You have the 15th chapter in your syllabus. Today we discuss one by one each chapter, what you will discuss, what you will study in this chapter, what topic you will study under this chapter. First is the real number. In first chapter we will study first Euclid division lemma. It is Euclid division lemma. Euclid is a mathematician. Division, you all know about the division, and lemma is the proven statement which is used to prove another statement. Euclid division lemma gives us statement like A is equal to VQ plus R, where A and V are two numbers and Q and R such that the A is equal to VQ plus R. This is used to find out the HCF of number. This method is used to find out the HCF of given number. And in this chapter we will also study about the HCF and LCM. HCF and LCM. Find out the HCF and LCM by prime factorization method. By prime factorization method, and we also use one formula that is product of the HCF and LCM is equal to product of the two number. This relation is also we study under this chapter, and we also study about the irrational number. Irrational number, we will also study about the irrational number under this chapter. We proof like root 2 अपन इस चैप्टर में प्रूफ करेंगे जैसे root 2 है, root 5 है, root 7 है. We will prove how they are the irrational number, and also study about the decimal extension of rational number. Decimal extension of rational number and rational number, and also by decimal extension into P upon Q form. All these things we will study under this chapter. One more method we will study. We represent the HCF into the linear combination. Into the linear combination like the HCF of two number is B, so we represent the HCF into the form of AX plus BY. We represent the AX plus BY, and we also know about the HCF is the factor of the LCM. Now in second chapter polynomial, under this chapter we discuss about the degree of the polynomial, and on the basis of the degree we classify the linear polynomial. If the degree is 2, then it's said to be the quadratic polynomial, and the degree is 3, then it's said to be the cubic polynomial. We study about the general form of the cubic polynomial, quadratic polynomial, and linear polynomial. Like the general form of linear polynomial is AX plus V. The general form of quadratic polynomial is AX square plus VX plus C. And the general form of cubic polynomial is AX cube plus VX square plus C. This is the general form of the polynomial having the degree 1, that is said to be the linear polynomial. If the degree is 2, then it's said to be the quadratic polynomial, and the degree is 3, then it's said to be the cubic polynomial. On the basis of this, we have to find out the zero of the polynomial. Zeros of the polynomial. Linear polynomial having 1 zero, quadratic polynomial having 2 zero, and cubic polynomial having 3 zeros. We have to find out the relation between the zero, sum of the zero, and the product of the zero under this chapter. Now the third chapter is pair of linear equation in two variables. In 9th standard you studied about the linear equation in one variable. Now you discussed about the pair of linear equation in two variables. Pair, this is the general form of linear equation. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the general form of linear equation where the degree of the variable is 1, so it's said to be a linear equation. Now in case of pair, you will take a1, v1, c1, and a2, v2, and c2. Here a, v are real numbers, c is also a real number. This is constant term, and this is the variable. We solve this pair of linear giving the a1, a2, v1, If A1 upon A2 is not equal to V1 upon V2, then it has unique solution. It has unique solution. If A1 upon A2 equal to V1 upon V2 and not equal to C1 upon C2, then in this case it have no solution. It has no solution. We all know about that the graph of the linear equation is a straight line. The graph of linear equation is a straight line. So in pair of linear equation we get two straight lines. If these two straight lines intersect at one point, it's said to be, in case of unique solution, it will intersect at one point. It will intersect at a point. In case of a no solution, they are parallel to each other. In case of no solution, they are parallel to each other. And the third one is A1 upon A2 is equal to V1 upon V2 is equal to C1 upon C2. Then in this case, they are coincident. The line is coincident. That means they are on each other. Upon each other. These are the three relations we will study under the graphical method. And in algebraic method, we solve the pair of linear equation by three different methods. First one is elimination method. Second is substitution method. Elimination method, substitution method, and my third one is cross multiplication method. Substitution method, elimination method, and cross multiplication method. Now after this, your fourth chapter is understanding quadratic equation. Your fourth chapter is quadratic equation. Formula of the quadratic equation. The general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c. क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन होती है जिसकी डिग्री क्या हो 2. यह लीनियर इक्वेशन है. हाईएस्ट पावर ऑफ वेरिएबल इज 1 and in case of quadratic equation the highest power is 2. x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We find out the root of the quadratic equation. We find out the root of quadratic equation by different method. By different method we find out by like splitting the middle term. Splitting the middle term by completing the square method, and third one is by discriminant, using the discriminant like v square minus 4ac. V square minus 4ac. We also find out the nature of the root on the basis of v square minus 4ac. v square minus 4ac के बेस पे अपन रूट जो अपना रूट है उसका नेचर भी बता सकते हैं. If it is less than 0, then no real root. If it is greater than 0, that means real root. And if it is greater or equal than 0, that means equal and real root. After this, the fifth chapter is arithmetic progression. In small classes, we study about the sequence or series. Same thing in arithmetic progression, you will study about that. There is the series like this a plus b, a plus 2b. That means the difference between the two numbers remains same. It remains constant. The difference between the two numbers. Under this chapter, we find out the sum of the n natural number, the sum of the first cube of n natural number. In this case, we find out. Also, we take the three numbers in arithmetic progression. The short form of arithmetic progression is AP. And three numbers we take like this: a minus d, a, and a plus d. Similarly, we can take the four number, 5 number remains. Now your sixth chapter is triangle. Under this chapter, you study about the similar triangle. And like you study congruence of triangle. There is the one difference between the congruence of triangle and similar of triangle. In case of congruence, our two hands are congruent to each other. Why? Because they cover to each other when we put over to each other. But in case of similar, my hand and yours hand are look like similar. So we prove similarity of triangle on the basis of and converse of this theorem. Both are studied in this chapter. This theorem, if we draw the side parallel to the third side, then it will bisect the other you all know about the coordinate x-axis, y-axis. Under this chapter, what you study, you will find out the like this. There is the line PQ. So you find out the distance between the PQ by using the coordinate x1, y1 and x2, y2. By using the coordinate, you have to find out the distance between the 2 points. Under this chapter, you study about the distance formula, you study about the midpoint formula, you study about the area of triangle by using the coordinate. Area of triangle using these coordinate. You also find out the centroid of the triangle. Centroid of triangle by using the coordinate. All these things you will study under this chapter. Now, chapter number 8. First time you study about the trigonometry. Trigonometry is active on the right angle triangle. Under this, you will study about the 6 trigonometry sign like sine. In short form, you will write sine angle, sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. You will study about the relation between these 6 cosec. They are reciprocal, they are angles, the relation of their angles, and also study about the identities of trigonometry. Identities of trigonometry like sine square plus cos square, sine square plus cos square equal to 1, or sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. And two more identity, we also make some more identity by using these 3 identities. After this, you study about the height and distance. Height and distance by like this, angle of elevation and angle of deviation. There is the one horizontal line and there is any tower and one person stand on ground. The angle of elevation is formed there and this is the horizontal line. And by using these trigonometric relation, we find out the height of this building or the distance, anything we can find by the relation. We also study many formula to find out the height or to find out the distance under this chapter. Next chapter is circle. In circle, you study about the tangent. Tangent is a line which is drawn from outside the circle and which touch the circle at a point, and this point is said to be the contact, and from the center it will form the perpendicular over the tangent by the radius. जिस radius से क्या बनेगा यहाँ पे perpendicular. Only one tangent we will draw on the circle from outside any point. If line is pass out inside the circle, then it will cut the circle at 2 points and is said to be the secant, tangent and secant. These two things we will study under this chapter, and any relations between these two, if two tangents are drawn, and such type of from a point outside the circle, then they are equal and they form the center line. Now we discuss about the relevant chapter, that is geometrical construction. Under this chapter, we will construct the similar triangle to a given triangle. दिए गए triangle के similar one triangle construct करेंगे and is greater than and such type of. Now we also division of line segment. We construct the division of line segment in the ratio m ratio n. Division of line segment in the ratio m ratio n. We also construct the tangent of a circle from a point outside the circle. We also construct the tangent of circle from a point outside the circle. We construct a similar triangle. We also divide the line segment in the ratio m ratio n by the construction. Now your next chapter is area related to circle. In this chapter we will find out the area of the sector, area of the segment, area of the sector, area of the segment, circumsector, circle inside the triangle and triangle inside the circle. Major sector, minor sector, major segment, that is segment, and that is minor segment. The region between the chord and arc is said to be the segment, and the region between the two radii and arc is said to be the sector. All these things we find out under this chapter by using the different formula. After this, volume and surface area. In 8th class, you find out the volume and surface area of only cube and cuboid. In 8th standard, you find out the surface area and volume of cube and cuboid. Then in 9th class, you find the surface area and volume of cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, sphere, hemisphere. Now you find out the volume and surface area of combination of solid figure, conversion of solid figure, and frustum of cone. Combination, that means there is any right circular cylinder. And place a cone over it. You can find out the combined surface area or volume of this figure. Conversion, that means if there is a big sphere and you convert it into a small sphere, then you find out the relation between this. Frustum of cone, that is if you have a right circular cone and you divide it parallel to the base, then you find a figure such that is said to be the frustum of a cone. You find out the total surface area and volume of this. After this, 14th chapter is static states. In this chapter, you find out the mean, mode, and median of group data. And median of group mean by three different methods. One is the direct method, second one is shortcut method, and third one is step definition method. By these three methods, we will find out the mean of the group data and mode and median of the group data by using different formula. After this, our last chapter is probability. In this chapter, you study about the probability of any event. Probability of any event, how we find out? PE is equal to favorable outcome जो आप चाहते हैं and the total possible outcomes. एक पॉइंट को टॉस करने पर आप हेड चाहते हो, आपका जो फेवरेबल आउटकम्स है दैट इज हेड एंड पॉसिबल आउटकम्स, टोटल पॉसिबल आउटकम्स कितने होते हैं 2, दैट इज हेड भी आ सकता है एंड टेल भी. सो द प्रोबेबिलिटी इज 1/2. In this case we all know about this. The probability always lies between 0 and 1. The probability of any event is always lie between 0 and 1, and probability of event plus probability of not E is always equal to 1. In this way, one by one we study on this chapter. What topic we will study under this chapter we will discuss one by one. Hopefully you all understand what we discussed today.